So it's kind of difficult to see, but I see a lot of instruments in there. Here at an elementary, full timpani, bass drum, lots of percussion stuff, lots of chairs in there. And let me ask you, you have two bands at the school, right?
Yes.
And how large, you have like a band A and a band B, and these would be concert bands.
Yes.
And how big are the bands?
我们
Each band is
我们两个 two together about 80
kids
80 kids.
for two bands. Wow, big. So you're learning science here.
Yes.
What grade is this?
几年级？
Five, 5年级
This is grade 5.
Yes.
And you can see what they're doing, some activities here in science. Learning, it looks like, about the stars and the galaxy and how to graph. You can see based on the book graphing here how to figure proximity of different stars and different places. Wow. And
好，南北要记得画出来哦。
you can see how many kids are normally in each class?
南跟北。
About 20,
20 kids. So you can
20, 25.
25 maximum.
的地方哪边是北？
So you can see that the classes are relatively
拿出来之后再
small
外面
here.
写
What do we got? 1, 2, 3.
没办法哎。不是。
I count 18 in this class. So
长脚钉再把它装。
not really large classes. 2 months with pay.
With
Hey,
pay.
yes.
And
And if you want to take care of baby,
right,
you can still
do it for 1 year after, or
and
1 year,
3
2 year, okay. But
What?
no
3 years.
pay.
1 year, 2
no,
year,
no more than
3
years.
years. 3 years. This is their special education PE class, and I'd say this is pretty comprehensive. I haven't seen too many special education PE classes in the U.S. like this. What percentage of your students are special education?
About 40 people. 40.
40 students
Yes.
in your school.
对，1000，就是我们1000个小朋友里面，大概差不多有
40
50个，50。
1,000 students and we have 50.
So you have
special-
1,000 students in the school, and about 50
special kids.
are special education. So that's
Yeah.
about, do they have their own classroom? Or
Yes,
do they
yes.
learn in
Some
this with the normal
subject-
kids?
Some subject they learn with normal children.
And the other
sometimes-
subjects,
yes,
they would learn in
learn
their
in-
own classroom?
Yes.
And does what is the ratio of students to teacher for special education? How many students per one teacher?
课调班一个老师对几个学生？
Two teachers for about 30 students.
2 teachers for 30 students. A music class. Wow. Kids sound pretty good. A minute ago was, is there going to be a movement towards a lot more technology? And the principal said it's to be a tool, but it's not going to replace the teacher or the learning. But you don't see the trend being a lot of iPads here, and the students replace their books with the iPad. They're still going to have books here.
Yes.
That's going to be the main way of teaching in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Okay, well, thank you so much. This is the computer lab, and you can see it's quite extensive. So they use technology, but they use it kind of in one room,
Yes.
right? They don't have a vast amount of technology throughout the school. So the kids are still learning this, but I was trying to ask him, what are the main things what are they teaching the kids here to do what?
Sometimes the word,
Uh-huh.
how to surf the internet, and some.
So what
现在
are
的课程是什么？你现在在小朋友
So here they're learning to cut and paste pictures, right?
Yes.
And do they learn PowerPoint?
media 有
啊
包括
我们是整个整合。哎，对，就跟那个
So they learn a basic amount of skills
Yes,
to get through the.
yes.
基本上是在 design 啊，那个设计的部分。
And how many days a week do they get computer class?
Once
Once a
Once
week.